Welcome to JH. Today, I'll demonstrate how to modify the mobile layout of your Canva website for 2025. Mastering this is vital for ensuring your site appears perfect on every screen, particularly since most people browse on their phones now. Let's begin with your standard editing workflow. If you're familiar with the Canva dashboard, you're already ahead. Open your project and start designing just as you would for a computer. The goal is to create a visually striking and organized layout. However, keep in mind that a desktop arrangement often looks very different on a smartphone. Your first task is to finalize your general design before we switch our focus to the mobile perspective. Now that your initial design is ready, it's time to check how it converts to a mobile format. You can do this using Canva's built-in preview tool. Simply locate and click the preview button within the interface. This feature is incredibly helpful because it lets you see the site through the eyes of your visitors, allowing for quick fixes before you publish. Once the preview opens, look for the mobile view toggle. It's represented by a small smartphone icon and is quite easy to find. Clicking this icon will instantly reformat the screen to show your website's mobile appearance. This often highlights hidden problems, such as tiny text or images that lack clarity. With the mobile view active, you can start making necessary adjustments. Pay close attention to the formatting and modify elements like text size, button positioning, and image dimensions. This level of detail is what makes your site professional. You want the mobile experience to be just as smooth and engaging as the desktop version. This phase is essential for providing a consistent user experience across all devices. Now you can see exactly how your edits function in real time. Fix any inconsistencies you find and continue refining the layout until you're satisfied with the result. Frequently checking the mobile preview during your design process ensures every update improves the site's accessibility. You've now successfully optimized your Canva website for mobile users. Thanks for joining me, and enjoy your design process.